Hello everyone, this is Deepa Parekh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Anywhere, Anytime.
Today we'll start with question number 3 of exercise 2.5 chapter 2 named Fractions and Decimals. So question 3 here is express 5 centimeter in meters and kilometers. Okay, so we need to find on 5 centimeters. Now before we start the calculation, we will first understand the formula, like how to find out. Now meter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. We all have studied in the smaller classes, right? And 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now on the basis of this formula, we will calculate and convert this 5 centimeters into meter and kilometers. So let's start doing that. Now 5 centimeters. Now since 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, 5 centimeters can be written as 5 by 100. Okay. Now as we studied earlier, since there are 2 zeros here and number 5, there is only one number in the numerator, what will come? A decimal point, 1 0 and 5. And this, the unit of this will be centimeters. Writing unit is very important. That would also count in marks, so please be careful. 5 by 100, which is equals to 0.5 centimeters. Now next we also need to find the kilometers. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. I'm so sorry, this is not centimeter, this is meters. So 5 centimeters or 5 by 100 is equals to 0.05 meters. Okay. Now 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. So this can be written as 0.05 by 1000. Now be a little careful on this. Since this is 0.05, so these two numbers, and here there are 3 zeros, so these two numbers will not be counted. Okay, in the consideration of these 3 zeros. So what will be the answer here? These 3 zeros will also be added. So it will be 1, 2, 3. These 3 zeros, then these two numbers 0, 5, and this will be expressed in kilometers. Clear? Why? Because since this is already under point after the decimal place, these numbers are not counted. Here why did we take only 0.05 though there were 2 zeros? Because this was without a decimal point. Here there is already a decimal number. This is already counted under the decimal number. So to calculate more, these 3 are also added along with these 2 to convert it into kilometers. I hope this is clearly understood by everyone. Let's move to the second sub question of this. The second sub question says express 35 mm. What is mm? Mm is millimeters in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Okay, so this we need to work on 35 millimeters. As in the earlier sum we did, let's first write the formula. Now 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Clear? Now on the basis of this, let's calculate this. So 35 mm. First we have to find the centimeters. Now how will we calculate? 35 by 10. Now since there is no decimal point here and there is only 1 0 in the denominator, the answer will be only this 5 will be counted here. Why? Because there is only 1 0. So the answer will be 3.5. Now what is this 3.5? This is centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Okay. Now next one we need to find is meters. What's the formula for meter? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Now this is 3.5 by 100. Okay. Now since this this number 0.5 is after the decimal, that's why we'll not count this. So we can see before the decimal there is only one number, that is 3, and there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So what will be the answer? Since there is only one number and 2 zeros, 1 0 will be added here, number 3 and this 5. Okay, and this is measured under the unit meters. So it is 0.035 meters. Now last but not the least is to find the kilometers, and the formula to find the kilometers is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So how will we write this? 1000 meters. So 0.035 divided by 1000. Okay. So since all these three numbers are after the decimal point, this would not be counted. Why did we count here? Because this number was only out. There was one number out and there were 2 zeros. So that is why, as we normally do, we calculate, put 0.0 here and then we put 3 because there was one number here. Now here, since all the three numbers are after the decimal points, these numbers will not be counted, and since there are 3 zeros here, we'll first put a point, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and then this number 0.035 and would be measured in kilometers. I hope this is clear to everyone. How do we calculate when there are 3 zeros, that is when it is divided by 1000, when there is 0.035, the decimals on the numerator, without decimal in the numerator, and on so and so. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. We found out the millimeter was given, we found out, converted it into centimeters, meters and kilometers. Now if you have not subscribed my channel, request you all to please subscribe, like and share. I'll be promoting more and more videos. Request you all to please watch. Thank you. Bye-bye.